Hello stock stalkers, welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel where you get regular updates on Dubai stock market, also where you get to learn technical analysis so that you can trade in Dubai financial market. Today's topic is very interesting. What is price action or what is price action trading? Well, to make it very simple, price action is nothing but action of the price at a particular level and a particular time. Don't worry, I will give you plenty of examples so that you can implement in your trading strategies and trade in Dubai stock market. With that, let's start the video. Before I proceed with this video, if you are new to the channel, I highly recommend you to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post such videos. Okay, understanding price action. We have to understand three phases of market. First phase is market is in an uptrend, where it makes higher highs and higher lows. Second phase is where market has got no direction, it's rather in a range. This is called range-based trading, where market does not move in any particular direction. Third one is market is in a low trend, when it's making lower lows and lower highs. I hope these three phases are clear to you. This is very important. The moment you see your charts, you should be able to identify within a glance if the market is in an uptrend, or it's in a range, or it's in a downtrend. Now, let's understand some price action. Just to add here before we proceed, when we are trading with price action, we are trading without any indicators. It means only naked charts using candlesticks and candlestick chart pattern. I hope this is clear. Let's proceed now. So far we have understood the basics of price action. Now let us understand how to enter the trade and when to exit the market. When you see the chart, first thing that you want to identify is the trend of the market. If the market is in an uptrend, is it making higher highs and higher lows? Or is the market in a range? If it is ranging, stay away from the market. Or if it is in a downtrend, it's making lower lows and lower highs. Again, in this phase as well, you do not enter the trade, because in a downtrend you cannot make money. In Dubai stock market, you only make money when the trend is to the upside. So now let me give you an example before we proceed to the live charts. So market was at this level right here. This was the low of the market. It pushed to the upside. Still, it's not confirmed if the market is in an uptrend. We will wait for a price action. Now, how to identify this? If this is the swing high right here, this was the low and this is the high, market comes back for a correction or a retracement. Let me mark this as well. This is the retracement area. When you see low, high, correction, when the market crosses the resistance, where is the resistance? This area is the resistance for the market. It's way too big. Let me just narrow it right here. So when the market crosses this resistance area, you are good to enter. You have to take the trade once it crosses the resistance. In case if you don't enter here, if you want to see a confirmation yet again, you can wait for a new high. This will be the higher high. Why this will be the higher high? Let me first mark this area. This was the previous swing high and this is a higher high. This was the previous low and now this is a higher low. That is the reason we say when the market makes higher highs and higher lows, we say it's in an uptrend. This is a typical and a perfect example of an uptrend. Again, let me just extend this line right here. Market moves in push phases and then again it comes back for a correction or a retracement. In case if you missed your entry in this area, do not worry, market will come back for a correction. When the market pushes to the upside, it has to come back for a retracement, correction or profit booking, whatever you want to call. When it comes back for a profit booking, you can enter at this stage and target the next resistance. Now how do we exit the trade? Let me explain you. Let's say you have entered the market right here in this area or even here, and market pushes to the upside. What happens once a market is in a push phase? It obviously comes back for a correction or a retracement or profit booking. And again, it clears the previous resistance, which is this area, and pushes to the upside. Again, the same thing repeats. It comes back for a correction and push to the upside. Now the market is considered to be in an uptrend till the time it's above this area. This is the previous swing high. This should be the support number 1, or at least it should stay above this area, which is the previous swing low. Once market crosses this area, that is the previous swing low, now we can expect a reversal. Reversal meaning trend is changing in the market. This is the place where you have to exit your trade. Let me mark this area. This is the place where you have to exit your trade if you have entered here or even here. As you can see, it have cleared previous swing high and also previous swing low, and we can see a clear cut close below the support area. I hope this concept is clear, guys. Let's move to the live charts now. So this is Dubai Financial Market Index and we are on a daily chart. As you can see, these are candlesticks. We can clearly see market is pushing to the downside. What we want to see, as we have learned, a push to the upside, a correction, and then we enter the trade. So I will play candle by candle. Yes, I'm in a replay mode. I will also show some example on stocks, but let's identify how the market works. Let me play now. Okay, we can see this is a support area and market is pushing up from here. Still, do not enter the trade. There is no confirmation yet if the market have picked up an uptrend. I will continue the play button. Yes, it's pushing to the upside, but again remember and make it a thumb rule. When the market is in a push phase, do not enter the trade. Market can come back for a retracement anytime, and that's when you have to enter. We continue with the play mode. Okay, very good. Market is again pushing to the upside. Next candle is also bullish, upside. Okay, wait a minute. What do we have now? This becomes the support area, a very important support area. We mark this one right here. From here, market pushed to the upside and now it's taking a hold. When we see this bearish candle, we can expect market to correct itself or consolidate in the same area and push to the upside. We can only get a confirmation once it crosses the previous candle's high. Let me play again. No, still no confirmation. Let me play again. Yes, it have clearly cleared the previous candle's high, and now we can easily identify the pattern. Let me show you. This is a push phase. We can call this as a correction phase, and now it's pushing to the upside. We can clearly see it have cleared the previous resistance. If at all this was a stock, your entry should be right here at this area. This is the place where it have cleared the previous candle's high. You enter here. Let me remove the drawings and we continue. Okay, very good. Market is pushing to the upside. Again, what we are seeing is a dodgy candle. Push, correction, push. We can expect a correction, or it can consolidate right here and push to the upside. Let me again continue. Okay, it's a small candle, but still no confirmation. Maybe it's consolidating within this range. I play again. Okay, fantastic. Now we have cleared the previous candle's high and it's pushing to the upside. Fantastic. It's a clear uptrend. Push, correction, and push again. We continue. Wonderful. This is the power of an uptrend. When a stock or a market is in an uptrend, it breaks all the resistance. We continue playing. Yes, the market is in a push phase. Okay, again what we are seeing, a red bearish candle right here. Maybe it can come down from here, consolidate, or push to the upside. We wait for a confirmation. I will continue playing. Yes, a green candle, but still no confirmation because it did not clear the previous candle's high. I continue. Excellent. You see how market works. Push, correction, push, correction, push, correction, again push to the upside. So this is a proper bullish market. I will continue. Dodgy candle. Wonderful. What a solid bullish candle. As you can see, we are clearly breaking the resistance and moving to the upside. Let me play. Again, a bullish green candle. This is a bit bearish. Why do I say this? Yes, we can see wick to the upside. It means there are sellers sitting here. I still continue playing. Okay, we can see a doji candle, again a bullish candle. Did it clear the previous candle? No, it did not clear the previous candle's high, meaning there is some problem in this area. There are plenty of sellers sitting here. So let's play and see what happens. Now the uptrend is still intact till the time it is above the previous swing high. This is the previous swing high and this is the previous swing low. So market can easily come back to retrace till this area or till this area. But once it closes below this area, we can say there is a reversal happening or a reversal is expected. Let's continue. Okay, a bullish candle. We are not coming down. Market is still pushing to the upside. But still, we wait for the confirmation. We want it to clear the previous candle's high so that we can enter the trade. Yes, we can see a candle, but still this is bearish because we can see wicks to the upside, meaning sellers are here. Let's wait for one more candle. Bam! Did you see that? Did you just see that? What happened is this was the resistance area and market could not cross above the previous candle's high and suddenly it dropped to the downside. Now, has the reversal begun? No, not yet. Till the time we are above this level and this level, we are still in an uptrend. So I play. We can see a green candle, meaning buyers are activated and still holding the market. They want to push it to the upside. This is not at all a downtrend. We are still in an uptrend. You can see green candles, meaning buyers are here. Look at this. Look at this. Now it came back for a retracement or a correction or a heavy profit booking. Still, it could not clear the previous swing high and the low, meaning we are in an uptrend. And now check what happened. It just came for a correction. It tried to do some price action or consolidation here and bam, it have cleared the previous resistance. Let's see what happens next. Clearly we can see market is pushing to the upside. There is no question that sellers are activated or sellers are trying to push the market to the downside. One more candle, a red candle, still bullish. Let me play. You see, again it have cleared the previous candle's high. It means we are still bullish, we are still strong, and we are trending to the upside. So this is how price action works. Now one thing, if you must have noticed, I am not using any indicators, any signals from the indicators. This is purely a price action. Now I will move to stocks. We will check out each and every stocks with the same concept of price action trading. Guys, if you are enjoying this video and learning something out of it, do not forget to hit the like button. It really helps YouTube algorithm. Secondly, if I get 100 likes on this video, I will upload another educational content very soon. First example, Emaar malls. What we can see is price was in a range, it tried to break to the upside, got rejected, and from here onwards it's making lower lows and lower highs. Again here we can see a range. Obviously it's in a downtrend as of now. It tried to push to the upside, got rejected. But did it clear the previous swing high? No, it did not. It got rejected from here itself. Again it pushed to the upside and now again at the support level. So we can clearly see this is a support area. If you do not know how to mark support and resistance zone, do comment below. I will make a separate video on it. Let me hit the play button now. Okay, we can see a doji candle. Whoa. Push to the upside. Do we enter the trade? No. We do not know if it is a real breakout or a fake breakout. Let me keep playing. Okay, it's a bearish candle. Let's see what the next candle is. Bearish. We can see a green candle again. Let it cross the previous swing high. Now this is the previous swing high. As we can see, it pushed to the upside. It could not go past this level. Got rejected. Again down. Now if it clears this resistance, we can see a pattern. Which pattern? Exactly this one. Push, correction and push. Excuse me. So let me keep playing. Okay. Bullish. Nope, still we did not clear previous candle's high. This is exactly at the previous candle's high. So we want to see a close above this previous candle's high to make a proper uptrend or a confirmation. We hit the play button. Yes, can we see a pattern now? Okay, this was the low, it pushed to the upside, came back for a correction, and now it have closed above the previous swing or previous candle's high. This is a good time to enter the trade. Let me delete this one and let me mark the entry level. Our entry should be right here once it cross the previous candle's high. I will play the button. Okay, we are at profit. Okay, very next day market gaps down, still no problem. Market is allowed to retrace or correct till this level. Why? This was a push, correction, again push, meaning this is the level or a danger zone. Once it clears or close below this line, it means we can expect a reversal. Let me play. Bearish candle, no problem. Bang. What is this? Huge bullish candle. Solid profits, solid gains. Do we exit the trade? Well, it's up to you. If you are a scalper, you can exit the trade. If you are a swing trader, you can still hold it till the previous resistance. If you are a day trader, you are already in a profit, you can book your profits and exit the trade. Let me continue playing. Again, market gapped up and still bullish. Let me play. Okay, gap down, bearish, but now again watch out the levels. Now we do not want this level. We are watching at these levels. Why is that? Push, correction, again push and correction. So this is the level where market should not cross. If the market crosses this level, meaning we can expect a reversal. I will play. Okay, again bullish. Still it did not cross the previous candle's high. If you want to re-enter, you have to wait for a close above this previous candle's high. I will play. Okay, consolidation. We can say as of now market is in a range. We can see some red candles. Okay, very good, very good. Right at exactly at the support level. Again we can see a solid bullish candle. Let me hit the play button. Good. We have closed above previous day's candle's high. We can still expect another push. Here it is. Clear price action. No indicators, no signals. This is purely price action trading. And I tell you guys, this is the best. Do not rely on indicators, as indicators are lagging. I will hit the play button. We continue. So now if you are a swing trader, you can clearly see this is the previous resistance area. What we are seeing is a rejection, a long wick, meaning sellers are sitting in this area. This is the place where you have to exit the trade if you are a swing trader. Now, if you still want to continue with the trend, you have to make sure the market does not close below this area. This is very important support area. This was the previous support. This is the new support now. Also, another support area is created right here because market took a halt for 3 days and then it pushed to the upside. So this is how you take your trades based on price action. I'll give you another example. Let's see how the price action works. Emaar Properties daily chart again. I want you to analyze the chart and answer for yourself if we are in an uptrend, in a downtrend, or we are ranging. I'll give you 5 seconds. You can analyze the charts now. Okay, if your answer is we are in a downtrend, you are wrong. We are still in an uptrend. Why do I say this? Clearly, market is consolidating here. Push to the upside, correction, push to the upside, again correction, push to the upside, again correction, and this is our final push. Now, market is allowed to do whatever it wants till the time it's about this level. Number 1, this is the previous swing high. Number 2, this is the previous swing low. Did the market close below this? Not yet. It means market is just retracing, or there is a profit booking or correction phase happening. If the market closes below this level, it means we can expect a reversal or a downtrend. So now, let's see what's happening right at the support area. I will mark recent support areas. This is the resistance and support area, and this is the previous swing low. So we mark these areas and see what happens at our support and resistance areas. We see what price action is happening. I will play dodgy candle, push to the upside. We can also see at the same time it's in a range. So in order to confirm a new uptrend have begun, what we want to see price action, that is ABC pattern, A, B and C, meaning we are in a bullish trend. So let me play series of dodgy candles, and now we can see consolidation here. Same thing, no breakout or no close above the previous resistance. Okay, we can see first sign buyers are activated. If you can see, we had a bullish momentum, consolidation and now break to the upside. If you are an aggressive trader, this should be your buy area. Or if you are an orthodox like me, you want to wait for a proper confirmation, let it close above this previous swing high to confirm a new uptrend have begun. I will play. Yes, we are entering the resistance zone now. Still it did not clear, so we wait patiently. Boom, it have broken the resistance. Now all we have to do is wait for a correction or a pullback, so we enter into support area. I will play gap up. Okay, when you see a red candle after a push phase, meaning either it will consolidate here, it will come down to retest the support area, or it will break from here itself. I will play now. Yes, this is a very good entry. You can see a wick and also a green candle, meaning buy momentum have begun. So you can enter right here. Let's play. Now you're already in profits. Red candle, you don't need to worry, you have entered at a very good area. Your support is right below this previous candle. We keep playing. Let it come back for a retest, we are not worried. It's a very tight stop loss. Boom. Let me extend this. And we are in profits. Let it run, let it run. We have almost crossed the resistance area. Let me keep playing. Coming back for a retracement. Still in an uptrend. Yes, it's going to the upside. Now watch carefully. If you are a swing trader, this is the previous swing high, meaning this is a resistance area. If you are a swing trader, you would like to exit your trade somewhere around here. Let me keep playing. Rejection, rejection and rejection. Okay, so now we are at the live chart, meaning this is up to date 27th May 2021. Now what we can expect is, this was the push phase, this is correction. So we mark this area as our support right here. All you want to see is a green candle here. Once you see a green candle, it means buying momentum have started. You can expect it to cross this resistance, making a bullish pattern again. Push, correction and again push to the upside. So this can be a good entry. Your stop loss will be very tight and you can target somewhere above here. DFM, a different example. This example is of a stock that was in a range for a long time. We can clearly see this was the range. It was within this range for so many days and finally it broke to the upside. Now if at all you want to take this trade, be very cautious because it just broke to the upside now. If you want to enter the trade, let it close above this resistance area. We can see 2 wicks or 3 wicks indicating there is selling pressure here. Sellers are sitting in this area. So once it breaks to the upside, you can confirm, yes, we can see a bullish pattern. What is the pattern again? Push, correction and then again push to the upside. So once you see this pattern and confirm, you can enter the trade somewhere around in this area once you see a green candle closing. I have given you 3 different examples. I hope guys you have learned something out of it. Do comment and let me know how did you like the video. Thanks for watching and keep stocking.